Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun gatefold card with the Countryside Corners bundle. Here's a gatefold card I created using the Countryside Corners bundle. The dies allow you to do a lot of fun things. So the first thing that you can do with the dies is you can create a gatefold. So this is a 10 by 4 1/4. So then you're going to make sure that the die will not cut the two sides. So you want to see this part right here that's sticking out, not covering the cardstock. So I'm going to go cut this out and I'll be back. And so now I've cut it out so that it is a gatefold. So now I want to add some paper on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that on, and then one side at a time, and then I'm going to cut it. So it still looks like it's all one piece here. And now I have punched out a 2.5 inch circle, and now I'm going to punch out a 2 3/8 circle. Now I'm going to use the Circle Saying stamp set for the front, and they have this nice row of flowers here that I'm going to stamp in the boho blue. And then I'm going to use the thank you sentiment, but there's also the happy birthday or smile or any of the other sayings that you could use. And last of all, I'm just going to add some of these boho blue in color dots. And that is my gatefold card using the Countryside Corners bundle. Receive my Countryside Corners card kit for free when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I would love to send it out to you.